What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amari. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay. Listen, it is February 3rd. This week has went by slower than the whole month of January went by, for real. It's like it was January 1st and now it's February. But we are here. If you read the title of this video, you know exactly what I am here to help you guys with today. Are you looking for a job? Has anybody ever taught you the ways or the different ways that you can go through to be able to get a job? Did you know you don't have to settle for minimum wage? Why not? I'm not knocking anybody that has worked minimum wage or is currently working minimum wage, but why not do better? Why not higher your standards? Why not search for more? That's what I'm here for. So like I said, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. Put your favorite color down below, okay? Because mine is purple. I want to know yours, all right? So let's get with this video. This is for if you want a job, period. Do you need money? Do you have bills? Do you have kids? Do you have yourself to take care of? If you do, this is the video for you, all right? So we all know that minimum wage is what? $8 in some places, $10 other places, maybe 15 in a couple places. At the end of the day, guys, there are jobs everywhere that you can get what you want, when you want it, when you need it, okay? All you have to do is be able to have internet, have a phone, or a computer. If you don't want to work from home, it's okay. This video is for you too. At the end of the day, guys, you don't have to work from home. You don't have to own your own business, but what we do suggest you do is make some type of money so you can survive. Okay? So, at the end of the day, guys, I am here to basically just give you guys some insight on how ways I've looked for jobs, ways that I have found jobs over the years. For starters, I do like to I want to let you guys know, no matter where you want to work at, Walmart, Family Dollar, Costco, Best Buy, Hobby Lobby, Ulta, Sephora, Fashion Nova, uh, Pretty Little Thing, Savage Fenty, what do? You go to their site, you scroll all the way to the bottom, and you click on careers. That's the first step, literally. Just go to the site of wherever you want to work, scroll all the way down, and click on careers or jobs. There, once you get to that part of the page, it's going to usually ask you for putting your location or putting a keyword so that you can be able to find a job in your area. It's literally that easy, okay? So, another way is also job boards. There's so many different job boards currently available to people online or in general for you to be able to find a job. Indeed. I found a total of like 4 jobs on Indeed, okay? And ZipRecruiter. 2 jobs I've gotten off of ZipRecruiter. All right? Work from home. Yes. If you don't want to work from home, yes, it's for you. Don't worry about it. Everybody gets caught up in what other people say and what they think is right. At the end of the day, you can make your money however you want to. There are resources for you. Same video, different day, guys. But I'm going to continue. At the end of the day, a lot of people feel like if they have 2 jobs, 3 jobs, they're doing amazing. Yes, you're doing amazing because you're making us that certain amount of money. But at the same time, if you are able to make that same amount of money and only work 1 job, why wouldn't you? People really like just drive themselves sick and unhealthy and just really this video is not for kids, so people bust their ass just to be able to work and just to be able to take care of their children, take care of their families, and at the end of the day they can do that 100%. I want to be able to help you guys find the resources that they're not telling you about. Find the jobs that's $17 an hour. Find the job that's $18 an hour. Tell you what you need to do to be able to start your career. Tell you what you need to do to be able to start your brand, start your life. Really? Who wants to just survive? Nobody wants to just survive. I don't. So seriously, guys, I don't want to. I always feel like I'm like preaching to somebody or like trying to tell somebody something, or that people may feel like I think that I know everything. I don't know everything. Like I say, as I'm learning, I'm telling you guys too. I'm learning all this myself. You know, I never knew, even what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I never knew about the fact that you could go just look up a site for whatever store or wherever you want it, scroll all the way down and click on careers. I never knew that. Nobody ever taught me that. So that's why I'm here. I want to be a resource for you guys because I never had a resource. So, seriously, don't forget to subscribe. I know that I said it like 4 times, but seriously, don't forget to subscribe because I have videos coming all week. Helpful videos, funny videos, videos that will help you feel good, help you guide or give you a sign. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. You're able to do whatever you need to do in life. No matter what anybody says, no matter what anybody thinks, it's coming. Even if it's not, it's already there. What you need is already there. Don't worry about it. Don't stress. Everything will be okay. Stay blessed. Y'all see this? Look. And then also after the video you saw earlier, I had almost all my nails literally in a day gone. But I do my own nails, guys, with the little like acrylic kit thing. So it's because it's cheaper. I don't like to spend money and people playing in my hands and stuff. My hands sweat. But yeah. Little fun fact. So I'll catch you guys later.
If you're seeing this video, it's a sign. If you look down, there's no captions, there's no hashtag. Tomorrow you're going to wake up to the best news of your life. Everything you've been worrying about is going to go away. What you've been wanting is going to come to you. And all you have to do to lock it in is hit that follow button, like, and send this to a friend.